everyone, welcome back to today's video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal attorney, Lexington Company, is going to present today's video topic, that is oral evidence and documentary evidence under Indian Evidence Act 1872. So, oral evidence provided under section 59 and section 60, whereas talking about documentary evidence, this is provided under section 61 to 66. So, now documentary evidence is further divided into two, classified into two more evidence. First one is primary evidence, second one is secondary evidence. Now, primary evidence and secondary evidence. And now starting with the oral evidence. Therefore, oral evidence considered of two sections, section 59 and section 60. So, talking about section 59 first. So, section 59, it considered all facts as oral evidence except those document or electronic devices. So it's considered every facts of the case of any crime committed, all facts except those evidence of crime that include documentary evidence or electronic evidence. Now section 60 of our of this oral evidence. So oral evidence must be direct. Now here I use the word that is direct evidence should be must. Now one question arises here, what is direct evidence? So what is direct evidence? So answer to this question is that any kind of crime that have been committed to anyone, and what happens that there is a person available at the moment, the person who is available at the moment, and whatever he heard while doing that crime, committing that crime, whatever he heard, whatever that person has seen, and what he precise from that act of that offense, crime, and even though his own opinion, okay, his own opinion too matter in this, and this will be considered as oral evidence. So this is direct evidence. Now talking about this, that is now dealing with primary evidence and secondary evidence. So documentary evidence further divided into two. So first, primary evidence. So primary evidence are those evidence which can be duplicate, countersigned by the parties, signed by parties, and also that goes with the uniform process. Now what is uniform process here? So uniform process like printing, like photography, lithography, so these all are uniform process which are required, and this is known as primary evidence. And talking about the secondary evidence, so secondary evidence is contain certified copy made by mechanical process, okay, also made and compared with the original ones, okay, and also contain counterpart of document, counterpart signed by the parties against the parties, okay. And even though the important thing also is that oral account of content of document will also be considered as an evidence. And here what is it means, that person himself who has seen that act, though his opinion will be considered as the evidence, okay. So this is about the two. Firstly, we discuss about which all section provide oral evidence and documentary evidence. Further classification of documentary evidence into two, primary and secondary. Where in detail we talked about what is section 59 talks about and what section 60 talked about. Then I answered that what is direct evidence. Direct evidence, who that person who has direct seen that crime, okay, seen that crime, heard whatever the person is saying to that any person, and everything. And now then further we classified in detail what is primary evidence and what is secondary evidence in documentary evidence. So this is whole about the today's video, short and script, and I hope you find this video useful. And if you find this video useful, go and smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and let me know feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, everyone, take care and goodbye.